department here in Garden State Koi.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Tom. I'm the retail manager here at Garden State Koi.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and I am with the retail department.
My name is Brian. I'm the social media director.
My name is Bruce. I work in the retail department.
My name is Abel Morales. Usually I'm working with the guys in the in-store.
I am Mel and I work in the wholesale division.
Mi nombre es Jonathan Cruz y estoy en el apartamento de instalación.
My name is Jessie Blitz and I am the executive assistant here at Garden State Koi.
My name is Baldo Bautista. I am working install.
My name is Aaron Cruz and I am part of install team.
My name is Ethan Kimball. I am the wholesale supervisor.
Hi, I'm Corey. I'm part of the maintenance division.
My name is Tom. I'm the maintenance manager.
My name is Rafael. I am on the install team.
My name is Enrique. I am Garden State Koi. I install manager.
Hi, I'm Fred Mayer. I work in the wholesale division.
My name is Luke. I am the wholesale manager.
My name is Tim, and I'm a waterfall designer.
My name is Valerie. I'm the office manager at Garden State Koi.
My name is Chris. I am the maintenance technician.
I am Garden State Koi.
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 Hi, I'm Tom Smith and I'm the owner of Garden State Koi. We've been in business for 25 years, servicing people's ponds, streams, and waterfalls, and changing the way that they live in their backyard. I'm Garden State Koi.